So let us discuss about the next type of intersection, that is called as rotary intersection. So this rotary intersection is also called as roundabout. Now what is this rotary intersection? So this is a circular intersection where all the vehicles are forced to move in a circle with reduced speed. అంటే మనము ఈ రోటరీ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ దగ్గర స్పీడ్ తగ్గించుకొని ట్రావెల్ చేయాలి. సో వై వి నీడ్ టు డిక్రీజ్ ద స్పీడ్? So why we cannot travel at very higher amount of speeds? Why? Because whenever a vehicle travels in a circle, a force called as centrifugal force will be acting on a vehicle, and that vehicle or body is directed away from center. So kabatti we have already discussed about something called as centrifugal force, and danivalla we have seen there will be different effects of centrifugal force, and the first one is overturning effect and the second one is lateral skidding effect. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, మీరు సర్క్యులర్ పాత్లో ట్రావెల్ చేస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి ఒక సర్క్యులర్ మూమెంట్ అనేది ఉంది కాబట్టి ద ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ సెంట్రిఫ్యూగల్ ఫోర్స్ విల్ బీ యాక్టింగ్ ఆన్ అ వెహికల్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ వై వీ నీడ్ టు ట్రావెల్ విత్ రెడ్యూస్డ్ స్పీడ్. Now as we have seen the formula to calculate centrifugal force, so we know that P is equal to mv square by r. We have discussed when we are talking about highway geometric design super elevation. Our concept law we have seen this. The formula to calculate centrifugal force is P is equal to mv square by r. As v increases, P will be increasing. The vehicle will be directed outwards. So laterally outwards వెళ్ళిపోయే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. Why? Because there are certain effects of centrifugal force. The first one is lateral skidding effect. The second one is overturning effect. So to overcome that, what we need to do is we need to travel with reduced speed. Speed తగ్గించుకొని travel చేస్తే the effect of centrifugal force will be decreasing. Now what is a rotary intersection? So I told you that this is also called as roundabouts. This is also called as roundabouts. Now this rotary intersection is this is a circular intersection. So this is a circular intersection where all the vehicles are forced to move in a circle, where all the vehicles are forced to move or travel in a circular path, with reduced speed. So speed తగ్గించుకొని travel చేయాలి with reduced speed. Now when we talk about where you can able to observe this rotary intersection, so when 4 to 7 roads meet at a point and when each road is of equal importance, so there you can able to observe the formation of a rotary intersection. So when 4 to 7 roads meet at a point and when each road is of equal importance, so akkada you can able to observe the formation of a rotary intersection or roundabout. Now when we talk about different traffic operations, or when you observe the different traffic operations, so we have discussed something called as traffic maneuvers. And academic Japan, there are different traffic operations, like the first one is called as a crossing, the second one is called as a diverging, the third one is called as a merging, the fourth one is called as a weaving, which is a combination of diverging and merging. So at a rotary intersection, what happens is you cannot see crossing traffic operation. So this is very very important point. Rotary intersection daggara you cannot observe a crossing traffic operation. So kabatti the number of crossing conflict points at a rotary intersection is equal to 0. Why? Because we do not observe a crossing traffic at a rotary intersection. So kabatti as we have discussed that the crossing conflict points are nothing but these are the major conflict points. So these are the major conflict points. So this is very very important. The major conflict points at a rotary intersection are 0. Why? Because we cannot able to observe a crossing traffic at a rotary intersection. Now at a rotary intersection you can able to observe diverging traffic and merging traffic, and the combination of diverging and merging, this is called as a weaving traffic. సో వీవింగ్ ట్రాఫిక్ అనేది మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తారు. అండ్ ద కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ పాయింట్స్ which are corresponding to diverging, merging and weaving, these are called as minor conflict points. These are called as the minor conflict points. So damage అనేది తక్కువ ఉంటుంది, ఒకవేళ యాక్సిడెంట్ అయినా కూడా డ్యామేజ్ అనేది తక్కువ ఉంటుంది when you compare it with major conflict points. So these are called as, so this combination or these are called as minor conflict points. So the majority of traffic operations, what you can able to observe it, a rotary intersection is a weaving traffic, and that weaving is the combination of diverging and merging, right? So this is very important. Rotary intersection దగ్గర మనకి major conflict points which are nothing but the conflict points corresponding to the crossing traffic అనేది ఉండవు కాబట్టి that is the advantage of a rotary intersection. Now when you see